Babaji, we are in
Giboro.
Giboro, the heart of Giboro, right?
Yeah.
So that's around the border right at the moment. So we are from Brikama, yeah?
Yeah, we are just from
So we did
Brikama,
all over videos from Fonyi, and then we are going to, which village are we heading to?
Duwasu.
Duwasu. So from Giboro to Duwasu,
Yeah.
follow, subscribe, like, we're the best.
With your wider.
As we always said,
yeah?
yeah?
Sorry. Environment place, yeah.
Dusma. But Dusma. Yeah. My family are the founders of Giboro right now. So shout out to Papaji behind the camera, the digital and #1 cameraman right in the Gambia. Wow. Giboro is fast development. Yes, man. Big salute. Shout out to my people. We are called Bantaba. So shout out to my family members in Italy and Germany. I know they're gonna miss the hood. My people, the borough. So fast growing all over Giboro, full of orange and mango trees. From Giboro to Duwasu, Giboro is an agricultural center. You see grain all over. Remember during the rainy season, we got a lot of green all over. You see. Yes, man, Babaji. Saya cuma terakhir yang naik hari ini. Ini gak ada yang ranyol. Deman. We love the country called the Gambia. The capital city is Banjul. Where are you heading to? Where are you heading to? Duwasu. Duwasu. One detailed video at Marifa Farm. Marifa. Hey, thanks. Dollars. Remember? Dollars Farm. The same road. The largest pepper farm in the Gambia. But that's the road that will take you to Duwasu. To the Dollars Farm.
Nabok programnya apa? Saya ngerah. Duwasu you know, Saturday, you know.
Jarama. Cuma Duwasu, ah? Well, Papa, Duwasu is developed there. Transformation. Transformer. Is it the transformer?
This is making love to Gambia. That's anywhere in the Gambia. That's no place where we can go. Even there's no road to pass by. Okay. Go closer. Look at that! Tell them there's nowhere we cannot go.
Huh?
I said tell them there's nowhere we cannot go in the Gambia.
Anywhere we can go.
There's no road.
Gambia is not a small country there.
No. I don't see it as a small country, lucky child.
Gambia is big. Look at this fertile land. Wow.
Let's go.
Wow. Yes, man, we make it, yeah? Yes.
Driver, man.
Welcome to Duwasu, yeah?
Yeah, you come to Duwasu. Welcome to
Yeah,
Duwasu.
man, welcome to Duwasu. We are live and direct in
I
Duwasu.
saw over all the Delcos. This other one. This
Well,
is the guy who carried
Merci,
you.
yeah?
Good.
Lanal.
Oh, let me
Yes.
check.
Yes, man. Wow, boy, we are going to take New Delhi one door. So, just in Gambia, how green Gambia is, you know what I mean? And I know my people out there, most of them miss Giboro and the people from Duwasu, yeah? And there are Gambians who never think that there's a village called Duwasu. So when I say Gambia is not a small country, believe it, take it, get it, and learn it from us, you know what I mean? And then subscribe for more contents in the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast of the world. You know what I mean? So this place right now is owned by one of my subscribers out there. So I just come to visit the land, you know what I mean, in the Gambia. And it's very nice to travel with motorbikes, you know, we are Africans, you know, and we act like African, you know what I mean? So Pabaji behind the camera, I am Lucky Child, the Prince of Africa, the Eye of the Gambia, representing the motherland, Africa. So LOVUYOU to you all. If you are new to the platform, please subscribe, basically like it and share it to the four corners of the world. So shout out to all African YouTubers who are working hard every day to make a greater name for Africa to the higher level. So thank you very much for watching to the end. You know what I mean? We are the powerful, you know, channel in the Gambia, you know. Pabaji, holiday.
Yeah, man, big up in yourself, man. That's it, man. How
Yes,
just
man.
say, we are the powerful right in the Gambia. So subscribe for more videos and comment.